Hello, good evening, cherished viewers. You're welcome once again to Danicom platform. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, and if you are a follower, share our videos to educate someone as well. You know, on Danicom channel, we take our time and walk you through all the basic things that you need to know. On this platform, we take our time and walk you through all the things that you need to know that will make life very simple when it comes to technology, or when it comes to how you surf the internet and the social media platforms. We are your step-by-step instructor. There is no two doubts about it. Now, when you visit videos that we have done, you realize that we take our time and walk you through all the things you need. Quickly, let's go over to our phone and I will show you how to add an organization email to your Gmail app on your Android or iPhone on your phone. So quickly, you look for the Gmail application and you open it. So what you are going to do is that, assuming you belong to a particular organization, say you are with let's say Global End Time Prayer Army, GEPA. They have their own website and they have their email or domain that they use to send emails. They have their own email systems and they communicate using that email platform. So what you are going to do is that you are going to add that email to the Gmail, so that at the end of the day, when email comes, it will synchronize with your Gmail. So what you do is you click on this icon here where your logo is. You can see all these emails are Gmail, with the exception of this Analytic, of which I am a member of this organization, and so I have added this email to my Gmail. So I'm going to teach you how to add your special email given to you by your organization to Gmail, so that at the end of the day, all the mails will synchronize. You don't have to sign in, sign out, sign in, forth and back, those kind of things. So quickly, you go to add account. Okay, you go to add account. And when you go to add account, the account you are adding to this email app on your phone is not Google, it's not Outlook, it's not Hotmail or even Live, it's not Yahoo, and it's not any of this. So what you do is you select order. And when you select order, you put in the email that your organization gave you. So for instance, webmaster at gepaglobal.net is the email my organization gave me. Okay, so I'll quickly select that one, right? And now when you get here, they are asking you what type of account is this. So we are not using the personal POP3, we are using the IMAP. So you click on the IMAP and you type in your password. Okay, your password, the password that you are using to log into the account. Then you click on next. When you get here, you type So when you get to the server, you type mail.gepaglobal.net, and then you click on next. And when you click on next, the server will be validating. The server of your company's email will have to go through validation by the Gmail application. Okay, so you click on next. So as you can see, after going through the validation, they have now seen that the email is correct and the server it's coming from is also correct. So what they are asking you now is, every 15 minutes, do you want your email to refresh, or you want it to be in 30 minutes or in every hour. So you can say in every 15 minutes, I want my email to be refreshed so that I will know if I've received a new mail or not. You have the option to say automatically download attachments when connected to Wi-Fi. What this means is that anytime a new mail comes and it has an attachment, it will be downloaded onto your phone automatically anytime you have Wi-Fi connection. So you can decide to leave it on or off. You can also sync email for this account and notify me when the email arrives as well. Then you go to next, and as you can see, your account is set up and email is on its way. So you can display on sent. This is a name that you want to use when you are sending a mail. So you can say Danicom, for instance. All right, then you now click on next. Okay, so as you can see, when you click on this icon, you are going to see that your organization email has been added, and as you can see, it's here, webmaster@gepaglobal.net. So at this point, I can be switching between my mails to see which mail has received a mail, or so now I am inside this webmaster mail, and as you can see, there's nothing in my inbox, as you can see. And when I go here, I can quickly switch to any other account at any point in time. All right, thank you very much for watching this short video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Kindly share it to also educate somebody as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.